The crime of aggression has become a major talking point at this conference, and this European delegation is unrelenting in ensuring that aggression is clearly defined and the court is given both the mandate and means to handle it.
We expect them to come to an agreement on the crime of aggression. We were able to forge that consensus ourselves in the European Parliament, and we expect the Europeans to have a consensus amongst themselves, and we expect this conference to be able to do the same.
The relationship and future relevance of the ICC will be judged on how the court works together and complements the UN Charter and other international organizations. The delegates from the European Union and Africa say this unevenness or ambiguity continues to undermine international justice.
Ladies and gentlemen, words are cheap, and it's in providing this court with assistance is where, as we say, the rubber hits the road in measuring the actual commitment.
Witness protection and proper confidentiality is a key issue that this conference is discussing as delegates prepare to walk the delicate balance of ensuring peace and justice at the same time.
Justice, along with peacekeeping and peacemaking, are at play at the same time.
Speaking to journalists, ICC Chief Prosecutor Maureen Ocampo said the court and state parties are considering other means to ensure that LRA's Joseph Kony is brought to book as soon as possible.
We are trying to galvanize effort to arrest Joseph Kony. Central African Republic and Congo and Uganda have political will, but they have difficulties to implement it. But now, as you know, 3 NGOs from US support a law in the US to urge the executive branch to implement the arrest warrant of Joseph Kony.
There's almost agreement here that stock-taking of international criminal justice cannot be complete without the universality of the ICC. Meanwhile, the Kenyan delegation has denied reports that it's hell-bent on pushing Kenyan issues at this international conference.
The agenda of this meeting was fixed long time ago, and that is not an issue here at this conference.
The crime of aggression is becoming a major hallmark of this conference. Delegates have spent a lot of time in semantics trying to define aggression and how individuals can be held to account for state crimes. Patrick Amara, NTV, Munyonyo.